Hey, my beautiful Taurus, welcome to Soulful Intuitive Tarot. Today we are going to do what can you expect in the month of December. This is a general love reading, so it may or may not resonate with each one of you. So please kindly watch Sun, Moon and Rising videos. And keep in mind, roles can be reversed, cross watchers are welcome. And please do like, share and subscribe to the channel. We'll start the reading. How are you feeling right now? And we have the moon. Okay, how are you feeling right now? We at the moon, you have doubts, you have confusion, you don't know what to expect, what to look forward to, feeling lost. In illusions are surrounding you right now, and not a very good energy, Taurus. How do you view your person as spirits and guides? Universe, please tell me, how does my Taurus views their person as? They you view them as Three of Cups. Okay. Uh, you think they are enjoying life, they are having fun, or maybe they are involved in a third party situation. Here also we can see the moon, and which are hidden from you. This situation, this third party, you doubt them, like, and I or maybe you know about it and it's not, you're not confronted it, and still it is like hidden, and you think they are having fun, they're enjoying life. That is your feelings. What are your person's feelings for you, Taurus? Spirits and guides, what does my Taurus person feels for them? Feelings for you is Eight of Pentacles. They think you're focused and your back is turned towards them. You're focused on your money, your stability, or your life itself. You're focused. You are not, they see you very driven kind of energy. Okay. How your person views you as spirits and guides. How does Taurus person views them as? They view you as Tower. Yeah. Something has come to an end, and they think that it is non-repairable. Maybe they don't have a much hope in this. Something has come to an end in their life or in your life, some situation, or this marriage has come to an end, maybe, which either you were involved in. Okay, so with these are too many cards. I'll put them. I'll take the Wheel of Fortune. For what are you hoping for? You are hoping for reconciliation. You want your answers. You're looking forward to have a beautiful life with them. You still have hope. Wheel of Fortune is a very hopeful card. You still have hope for them, hope for this connection. What is your person hoping for, spirits and guides? Please tell me. What is Taurus person hoping for in this connection? They are hoping, this is a card as well. Four of Wands. Yes. They look to marry you. They want a stable connection. Four of Wands is stability, some kind of celebration, or maybe engagement. Something, they want to solidify this connection with you. Okay. What action you plan on taking with this person, spirits and guides? Please tell me what Taurus wants to take. What kind of action they want to take with this person. Ace of Cups, of course. You want to start new beginning, everything new in love with them, because you think the tower has come down, things have released, and you want to have a new start. Okay. what action your person plans on taking in this connection with you. Spirits and guides, please tell me what action does my Taurus person take, plans to take, what to expect in this connection. Okay, King of Cups, of course. Taurus, very initially things were very up in the sky, not very clear, but right now I can see in the future they want to come. Knight of Cups, yes, they have a lot of passion for you. They want to come towards you, charging. They want to propose you. They want to give you an offer of love. They want to show you how much they love you. Okay, what two cards for the outcome of the situation? The outcome of the situation is Ten of Pentacles and Lovers. Oh my goodness. The bottom you can see the Ace of Cups, then the Knight of Cups, and the Ten of Pentacles and the Lovers. You may be dealing with the Gemini, Aries, Leo, Sag. You may be dealing with a strong Scorpio's energy here. We have both Scorpio, Pisces, Cancer. Strong Pisces, water energy. Then they see a lot of growth with you, and this connection is going towards Ten of Pentacles and Lovers. They have made up their mind, they have made their choice, and they are clear that they want to go ahead with your Taurus. Let's see what the angel answer cards have to say. I just now saw yes, the bottom of the deck. Let's spirits and guides. What can my Taurans expect in the third week of December? What my Taurans can expect in the third week of December? They can expect to meditation brings answers. So they know, they want you to go within, look for answers you will get, listen to your intuition, meditate. Too much of your focus is on work, trying to keep yourself busy so that things don't bother you much, but try to channel your energy, meditate a little so that you are not too much burdening yourself, and there's a positive outcome coming, Taurus, so don't worry about it. There's something better. Okay, maybe this is a new connection also. Ace of Cups, a new offer of love. Knight of Cups, then Ten of Pentacles. There is something better coming. Tower, Wheel of Fortune. I think this is the end of a third party situation in your life maybe, and there's a new love connect coming towards you, Taurus, and this is going to be a better relationship for you. This is a very stable relationship which is coming towards you. The Lovers and the Ten of Pentacles is definitely a very long term stable connection. Okay, and Lovers card is of course the soulmate card. Four of Wands, Ace of Cups. A very positive outcome can be expected in the third week of December and onwards. Taurus, this is a beautiful energy, and we will pull out some chakra wisdom cards for you. What you need to know, advice from the universe and spirits and guides. Advice for my Taurans. Universe, please advise for my Taurans. We need two cards and we have two cards. Expansion and faith. Beautiful. Exactly. You need to expand your horizon rather than getting stuck in this situation, the old situation, and just focusing on your energy. Give yourself and have faith. Have lots of faith, because better things are coming towards you. Meditate, channel yourself. Your angels and spirits guides are with you. In this both you can see the guides are with them, and they are giving like the Eight of Pentacles is like expansion in your business, in your stability, in your finances, everything. And here also you can see faith is giving you love. This is a love card, faith in love and relationships. Okay, so Taurus, this was your reading. I hope it helped, and I'll see you in the next one. Till then, bye bye and take care.